And now let's discuss the quadratic function, also known as the squaring function. You'll always know this function because it will always form the shape of a U, and that U shape can either be facing upward or facing downward. Let's take a look at what type of values you can plug into this function. So in terms of what values of x, let's go ahead and plug in a few. So if we plug in a -2 and we square that, so -2 squared is 4, we'll get a 4 out. Plug in a -1 and square that, you're going to get a 1 out. Plug in a 0, square that, you get 0. Plug in a 1, square it, you get 1. Plug in a 2, square it, you get 4. And this is what our graph looks like once we sketch it. Now let's look at the characteristics of a quadratic function or squaring function. So we want to start by the intervals of increase. Where is this function increasing? So if this was a roller coaster, we would say that it would start at this point, which is at 0, and then it would continue on to positive infinity, increasing. So where is it decreasing? Well, it would be coming from negative infinity, and it will stop going down that roller coaster right there at 0. So from negative infinity to 0. Can I sketch or draw this without lifting up my pencil? And the answer is yes. I can go all the way from negative infinity to positive infinity and never lift up my pencil. So continuous from negative infinity to positive infinity. Domain, how far extends to the left and to the right? Well, it goes forever to the left and forever to the right. So the domain is from negative infinity to positive infinity. Let's take a look at the range, how high, how low. The lowest point this graph falls is right there at 0. Then it's going to continue to shoot up forever to positive infinity.